Hi there, and welcome to the Geonix channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up a proxy in the cloud-based automation tool PhantomBuster. First, log into your account. Then click on your username in the top right corner and select the Proxies option from the drop-down menu. In the new window, click New Proxy Tool. Come up with a name for your proxy, then enter the IP address and port separated by a colon. If you're using a free proxy, you can leave the login and password fields empty. However, if you're using a private proxy, make sure to fill in the required authentication details. Once everything is set, click Add Proxy to save your configuration. To activate the proxy, return to the main dashboard. Either create a new Phantom or select an existing one. Go to Advanced Settings, open the Proxies tab and choose the proxy you just added to assign it to your project. That's it! Your proxy is now successfully set up in PhantomBuster. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, Geonix.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.